coming. Yeah. MP the King goes pro.
The Immortal One chose me to vanquish the shadows that plague this world.
Did I do something wrong, Ate Kashmir? Did I something wrong with you, Ate Kashmir?
Always on the way.
Where there is light, there are also shadows.
Set lang pa ako. Soon MP. I don't know. Play na. Ay, gagi, ginawa yung Moskov. Di ko makapaglaro ng Moskov.
Command confirmed.
Hindi ako malakas.
Rhino online.
Ito na lang ako.
I've been waiting for too long.
Let's hear from the crowd. Make some noise for yours truly.
You can speak Kimmer. I cannot speak Kimmer. I'm so sorry. I can. The only Kimmer word that I know is Appler. Happy Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Valentine's in advance. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Ate Kashmir. Yung promise mo sa akin na gift, di ko pa rin natatanggap. Hi Ate Ivy, I miss you. MP Baksun, I don't know. Ate Kashmir, yeah. Kailangan ko ng pagkain.
Thank you food guys.
Nagugutom kami ni Kaizen dito.
Dahil ako, joke lang.
Miss you. Ate Ivy, punta ka dito sa March ha.
For her, I would sail across the cosmic sea to the end of time.
Hi, hello guys. I cannot pronounce your name, it's so hard. Kaya nga di kita nire-replyan 2025 pa kasi yun validity. Yun lang. Nag-grocery naman kayo. Itlog lang yun eh. Ay, gago pirape pala ako. Why Felix slept pro? I don't know. Oh, them again. Malakas kalaban. Wait lang guys, focus muna ako. Shoutout sa 101 viewers. Di na talaga ako nag-live dito guys.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed! Combat zone established.
Siguro na daw bala. Yun lang, para kay Kaizen lang papadala niyan eh. Hindi, nagko-comment sila sa live ko. Speak English, Bong. Okay, Bong. Si Kaizen ba kasama mo? Si Kaizen kasama ko.
Where's that, bro?
Searching database for target profiles. Thruster boost. Target identified.
I-bait ko siya dito guys, syempre. Diba? Na-bait siya guys. Na-bait siya. Kanyari kukunin ko yung God Crab, pero hindi talaga. Akala ko pa naman galit ko sa akin ng Kashmir, kaya hindi mo ko nire-replyan. Nag-overthink pa ako, yun lang pala yung dahilan. Lala.
Back low. Then mid guys, then mid.
Nasa KH ka na? Oo, nasa KH na ako ate. I'll see you here na lang ate sa March.
Guys, pop, please. I got it, bro. I got it.
Dead or alive, you're coming with me.
Baka makuha ng Moscow pre ha. Galit yan. Hindi ako galit. I'm just overthinking lang.
Go first guys ha. Bilis agad guys ha.
Speak English.
So yung match point tayo pa. Yap yun.
Ano pa jungle nila, pre?
Can you don't do you ano, Felix? Are we first ha? Zone sa no? Okay.
Hindi ko na last point. Gabi lala. Ano ba jungle nila? Soyo. Tama nga yun. Soyo guys. Alam guys. Nice one.
An ally has slain the turret cutter.
Oh, almost.
Optimizing weapon
I think Kupra top guys.
combat environment.
Kupra mid. Okay.
Plasma cutter. Thruster boost.
No
Ult is
block
ready.
guys.
Kenji. I'll make him low guys. Ay.
Plasma cutter.
Oh, outplayed. Ah, my god.
Plasma cutter.
Oh my god. Wala. How's the new phone? It's good, boss. So good. Thank you so much, boss. Thank you, boss Meng. We miss you here.
System. Back online.
Let's play when you already go back in Cambodia, boss.
Ult is not ready.
Hi kay Katan. Ang hirap kasi banggitin ng pangalan nyo, guys.
Thruster boost.
What's the RG boss and Jim?
Scanning
No
sector.
flicker Kupra, guys.
Thruster boost.
Can you pull me, D7?
Can you go mid?
Request backup.
No ulti, brother.
Security clearance is required.
Nice one.
Connection guys, Jim body.
Thruster boost.
Gym buddies.
Jim boy.
You're in the Philippines or Cambodia?
Sigma boy.
I mean I mean Cambodia.
Let's target throw. Overloading energy core.
Ito, pulong-pulong naman tong dalawan to. Ulit nyo ha, kanina nyo pa ako pinagtitripan ha.
Sigma, Jim boy.
Target identified.
Kanina pa ako tinadalawan nito guys. Wait lang guys, focus muna ako. Can you pull me? Ang ina mga kampitong durok. No flicker, Kupra. G. Ang ina ng Kupra ka kanina po. You have TP, Rosa? Ang ina nandun na naman sila oh. Push.
Your team destroyed a turret. You destroyed a turret. Ult is ready. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Dead or alive, you're coming with me.
Oy.
Overloading energy core.
Sigma boy.
You have slain an enemy.
Threat neutralized.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Tap, brother.
Armament
Not
prime.
ready.
Brother.
Shoutout sa mga nanonood. Sana manood pa kayo.
Assessing battle.
Ano role ni Kaizen? Jungler po, ate.
Thruster boost. Thruster boost.
Is pasama. Wala.
Engaging last hours with extreme
So kay Rosa, can burst. Nice one, Rosa.
Free.
Uy. Gulo ng clash, parang brawl guys ah.
Triple kill.
Anong role ni
Sigma
Kaizen?
boy.
Scanning sector.
Anong role ni
for hostiles.
Kaizen? Jungle.
Nice pre.
Account ni Luis yung gamit ni Kaizen.
Optimizing weapon configuration for combat environments.
An ally has slain the turtle. We're ahead, Eagle.
Caution. I am augmented with experimental military hardware.
Ken, wait. Ken, just trust me.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Dead or alive, you're coming with me.
It's okay.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Systems up.
Ken mid. Kupra. Kupra, nice one, brother.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Red miss me, yes boss. Super miss. Si boss man. We miss you, boss. We miss you so much. Kaizen said he miss you, boss.
Delta security clearance is required to view the
Gagawa hit sa'yo.
Monster kill. Mega kill.
Exterminated.
Destroy the turret. Double kill.
Plasma cutter. Thruster boost.
Destroy the turret.
Thruster boost.
Cannot end.
Overloading energy core.
Your team destroyed the turret.
You guys like the new house? Yes, boss. Better than before.
Victory.
Lerin po.